Hi, this is Dave Hoffman, the unknown candidate for governor of Arizona. Today I'd like to talk to you about education. Recently I was tutoring a student that had a problem dealing with fractions. The problem was, how do you add 1/2 plus 3/5? Well, I asked him how he'd been taught, and he said, well, he was taught to do that on a ruler, to find 1/2 and to find 3/5, and then add them together and see what they come to on a ruler. Well, I looked at a ruler, and here's one ruler, and this ruler, as you see over here, is broken out into eighths. So you can't find 3/5 when it's broken out into 1/8, 2/8, 3/8, and so forth. This ruler is broken up into 16ths, but again, you can't find 3/5 when you have a ruler that's 16ths. Well, this ruler is broken up into 32nds, but again, you can't find 3/5 when you have a ruler that's broken up into 32nds. So I asked him if he was ever taught to find a common denominator to add the fraction up. And he said no, he had to do it based on the ruler. So here's what we have going. 1/2 plus 3/5 you have to find on a ruler, which you can't do on these three rulers that we have. The old-fashioned method was 1/2 plus 3/5. You get a common denominator, you get 5/10 and 6/10, which adds up to 11/10, which then you take 10 into 11, you get 1 whole, and you have 1/10 left as a fraction. So what I think should be happening is school choice should be what we have going on in Arizona. A child should be put into a school where they can learn how to add and subtract fractions by using a common denominator. But if somebody wants to put their child into a school that uses Common Core and tries to find a ruler with fifths and halves on it, and find where 1/2 is and 3/5 is, and put that together in order to learn fractions, then they can send them to that school. But my proposal is school choice. Send your child to the school that is going to best educate them. So the Arizona isn't 49 among 51 school districts, which includes Washington, D.C., two places from the very bottom of education. I want Arizona to be number one in education. So we need to get away from Common Core, allow parents to choose a school that their children go to. So what I'd like to have you do is to go to davehoffmanforgovernor.com and look at more information that I have there. And please go to the petition up above in the upper right-hand corner and sign the petition so that I can get on the ballot for governor of Arizona based on the Republican Party primary. So thank you very much, and take care.